It's done. Ooh, big boy. So I fine-tuned the threads, fine-tuned that. Get this to stick on there. We're good there. All right, let's mount it up. So this goes on here, snaps on there, and you slide it over. And we line up the slots in EMS till it locks down. So now you can put your manual spool here and feed it through here and connect the Bowden tube from here and loop it all the way over and put a splitter over there. And guess what? You got a nice little manual load system over here. This one is a green one. There's two. There's green and yellow. And you want the yellow one because this one you're going to be spooling off this way. And you want this, see how there's a little spring pressure pushing it back? You want that so it kind of keeps a little pressure on the spool. So you want the yellow one if you're going to print this one. I mean by green. And the other one will be yellow here. If you go to Bambu's website, this is a spool holder off the AMS light. So if you're interested in the manual spool holder that fits on the AMS shelf that I created for the red racks, you can find it on makerworld.com.